Let us start the session. Today we are going to start session 5 of chapter number 11, Algebra. In this session we are going to learn about of an equation and its solution, and we'll start the exercise 11.5. So let us start with the first topic. What is an equation? So equation is a condition on any one variable. Okay, it is satisfied only for a definite value of a variable. It will not satisfy all value of the variable. Definite value के लिए वो satisfy करेगा. For example, 2y is equals to 8. 2y is equals to 8. If we substitute y is equals to 4, then only we are getting 8. We are not getting 8 if we substitute any value other than 4. Suppose हम लोग 3 substitute करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 2 into 3.
2 into 3.
6 आएगा. So that means it will not satisfy. इसलिए ये line है, it is satisfied only for definite value of a variable. So for this equation the definite value is y is equals to 4, right? So it is to be noted that an equation has an equal sign between its two sides. Left side, ठीक है, LHS बोलते हैं left hand side, और right side में RHS बोलते हैं right hand side. The equation thus reflects that the value on left hand side is equal to the value on the right hand side. It is not possible to construct an equation without an equal sign. ठीक है, अगर हम लोग का इक्वल साइन के अलावा ग्रेटर देन रहेगा तो उसको इनइक्वालिटी बोलते हैं, ग्रेटर देन और लेस देन. Right. Since an equation has equal to sign, it can be solved to find out the value of a variable. And the value of the variable in an equation which satisfies the equation is called solution to the equation. अभी यहाँ पे देखो ये वाला एग्जाम्पल में 4 के लिए satisfy कर रहा है. That means y is equals to 4 is a solution of this equation. And we'll take another example. 2n is equals to 20. If we substitute n is equals to 10, तो ये satisfy कर रहा है. Otherwise also we can solve by using we can solve by directly solve these equations. ठीक है, इसको हम लोग अगर इस साइड शिफ्ट करेंगे तो ये नीचे आ जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर में 20/2. 20 divided by 2 is nothing but 10. और otherwise we can substitute the value of n. 10 अगर substitute करेंगे तो LHS और RHS दोनों सेम आ रहा है. चलो, now we'll see one example. Complete the table and find the solution of the equation p plus 7 is equals to 12. So सबसे पहले 1 substitute करेंगे p के place में. So if we are substituting 1 here, we are getting 1 plus 7 is equals to 8. Now if we are going to substitute 2, p is equals to 2. अगर यहाँ पे p 2 substitute कर रहा है, so we are getting the value of this expression is 9, right? Again 9 is not equals to RHS. RHS क्या है? 12. 12 आना चाहिए, right? If you substitute p is equals to 3,
10.
10. Very good. We are getting 10, but not equal to RHS. If we substitute 4,
11.
11. Again it is not equals to RHS. If we substitute 5, 5 plus 7, we are getting 12. So that is equals to RHS. And if we substitute 6, 6 plus 7, we are getting 13. Again it is not equals to RHS. So out of all these values, for only one value of p, the equation satisfied, that is p is equals to 5. ठीक है? p is equals to 5 के लिए LHS और RHS दोनों इक्वल है. So therefore p is equals to 5 is the solution of the equation p plus 7 is equals to 12. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Next question. Equation is given 13 equations and the value of the variable is given. We have to check whether this is the solution of this equation or not. तो हम लोग कैसे चेक करेंगे? उसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करके चेक करेंगे कि LHS और RHS दोनों इक्वल आ रहा है कि नहीं. Right. So now substitute 10 here. See, 10 plus 10. We are not getting 30. We are getting 20, which is not equals to 30. So answer is no.
No.
Next, if we substitute 20 here, so we are getting 20 plus 10 is equals to 30. That is equals to RHS. So our answer is yes. Next 30. If we substitute 30 here, 30 plus 10,
40.
40, which is not equals to 30. So answer is
No.
no. If we substitute P is equals to 5, 5 minus 3, 2,
2.
which is not equals to 7. So answer is no. If we substitute P is equals to 15, 15 minus 7, 3, 12. Again it is not equals to 7. So answer is no. If we substitute 10, 10 minus 3,
7.
7, which is equals to RHS. So answer is
Yes.
yes. Right. Now if we substitute n is equals to 9, 3 into 9, 27, which is not equals to 21. So answer is no. If we substitute n is equals to 7, 3 into 7, 21,
21.
which is equals to RHS. So answer is
Yes.
yes. Now if we substitute t is equals to 25, 25 divided by 5, 5, which is not equals to 4. So answer is no.
No.
Now 20 divided by 5, 4, which is equals to RHS. So answer is
Yes.
yes. Right. 2 into 5 plus 3. 2 into 5, 10 plus 3, 13, which is not equals to 7.
No.
Answer is
No, sir.
no. 2 into 1, that is 2 plus 3, 5. Again, which is not equals to 7. So answer is no.
7. No.
2 into 2, 4 plus 3,
5.
7. 2 into 2, 4 plus 3, 7. Which is equals to RHS, that is 7. So answer is
Yes.
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 Okay. तो ये समझ में आ गया कैसे चेक किए?
Yes, sir.
Right. So we are getting this answer. चलो अभी हम लोग एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं. State which of the following are equations with a variable. With a variable. Give reason for your answer. Identify the variable from the equations with a variable. चलो एक एक बिट करके हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट वी विल स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट बिट. 17 इज इक्वल्स टू x प्लस 17. देखो इक्वल साइन है तो इक्वेशन है और वेरिएबल है x. So this is an equation with variable x. Right. Now the next one b. यहाँ पे इक्वल साइन है क्या?
No, sir.
No.
Not a equation.
So this is not an equation. This is inequality equation. ठीक है? Inequality. Equality नहीं है ये. Or otherwise this is not an equation लिख दो. Right. Now the third bit. 4 by 2 is equals to 2. Equal sign है तो equation
But
है.
no variable.
Yes.
But no variable.
Very good. तो उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Answer is no, because it has no variable. But it is an equation, numerical equation. It's a numerical equation.
Numerical equation.
Numerical equation means without variable. Now D.
Okay.
7 into 9 minus 19 equal to 8. Same answer. No variable.
Numerical equation.
Yes, very good. Next bit. 5 into 4 minus 8 is equals to 2x. Equals.
It's a equation with variable x.
Very good. Equation with variable x. Next question. X minus 2 is equals to 2.
It's an equation with the variable x.
Very good. An equation with variable x. Next question. 2m less than 30. So it is an inequality,
It's
not
an
an equation.
inequality equation because
Right.
there is no variable.
Next one. 2n plus 1 is equals to 11.
It's an equation with variable n.
Very good. An equation with variable n. Next one. 7 is equals to 11 into 5 minus 12 into 4.
No, it's not. It's a numerical equation.
Yes, first of all, it is not an equation with variable, right? So it's a numerical equation. Next one, 7 is equals to 11 into 2 plus p.
An equation with variable p.
Very good, an equation with variable p. Now, next question, 20 is equals to 5y.
An variable, an equation
equation
with variable y.
Yes, an equation with variable y. Next question, 3q divided by 2 is less than 5.
An inequality equation.
Yes, an inequality equation, or you can write not an equation. Next question, z plus 12 is greater than 24. Same, an inequality equation
Inequality equation.
or not an equation. 20 minus 10 minus 5 is equals to 3 into 5.
Numerical equation.
Yes, it is not an equation with variable. It's a numerical equation. Now the last bit, 7 minus x is equals to 5.
An equation with variable x.
Very good, an equation with variable x. So this is question number 1. Now we are moving toward question number 2. Complete the entries in the third column of the table. इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाइड यस और नो वी हैव टू राइट. ठीक है, हम लोग अलग अलग सॉल्व करेंगे तो सभी क्वेश्चंस. सो दिस इज फर्स्ट पेज, दिस इज सेकंड पेज. ठीक है, टोटल ए से लेकर क्यू तक है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ए. 10y is equals to 80 and the value is given 10. So if you substitute 10 here, we are getting 80.
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
So y is equals to 10 is not a solution for this equation, because if y is equals to 10, then 10y becomes 100 and not 80. Right? Second question. Second question, the value is given 8. अब 8 substitute करके देखो यहाँ पर. 10 into 8.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So y is equals to 8 is a solution for this equation, because if y is equals to 8, then 10y is equals to 10 into 8, that is 80 equals to RHS. ठीक है? So therefore equation satisfied. So next question, 10y is equals to 80, y is equals to 5 is given. So if we substitute 5, what we are getting?
50.
50, which is not equals to 80. So therefore y is equals to 5 is not a solution for this equation. ठीक है? Next, 4l is equals to 20 and the value of l is given 20. ध्यान से देखो, if we substitute 20, what we are getting? 4 into 20, 80.
80.
Which is not equals to 20. So therefore l is equals to 20 is not a solution for this equation. Next question, 4l is equals to 20 and the value is given 80. अगर 80 हम लोग सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे, 4 into 80 is 320. Right, very good. So therefore l is equals to 80 is not a solution for this equation. Now the next bit, l, the value of l is given 5. Now if we substitute 5, what we are getting?
20.
20, very good. So that is equals to RHS. So therefore L is equals to 5 is a solution for this equation, because if we substitute L is equals to 5, we are getting 4L is equals to 20. So therefore equation satisfied. Now next question, B plus 5 is equals to 9 and the value of B is given 5. So 5 plus 5 कितना होगा?
10.
10. So which is not equals to 9. So therefore 5 is not a solution for this equation, क्योंकि 5 substitute करने से 10 आ रहा है, हम लोग को 9 चाहिए. So next question, the value of B is given 9. What is 9 plus 5? 14, which is not equals to 9. So therefore B is equals to 9 is not a solution for this equation, क्योंकि हम लोग को 14 मिल रहा है, 9 नहीं मिल रहा है. Next question, same B plus 5 is equals to 9 and the value of B is given 4. What is 4 plus 5?
9.
9. So we are getting RHS. Equation satisfied. So therefore B is equals to 4 is a solution for this equation, because if we substitute b is equals to 4, we are getting LHS is equals to 9, and therefore equation satisfied. Next, h minus 8 is equals to 5. The value of h is given 13. 13 minus 8. 5? 5. So therefore h is equals to 13 is a solution for this equation, because if we substitute h is equals to 13, we are getting LHS is equals to 5. That is equals to RHS. So therefore equation satisfied. Now next value is given 8. What is 8 minus 8?
0.
0, right.
0.
So therefore it is not satisfied because RHS is 5. So h is equals to 8 is not a solution for this equation, because if we substitute h is equals to 8, we are getting 0, not 5. Next one, the value of h is given 0. 0 minus 8 is minus 8.
Minus 8.
So which is not equals to 5. So therefore h is equals to 0 is not a solution for this equation. Next question, p plus 3 is equals to 4 and the value of p is given 3. So what is 3 plus 3?
9.
6. 3 plus 3 is 6. We are not getting 1. So therefore p is equals to 3 is not a solution for this equation, because if we substitute p is equals to 3, we are getting 6, not 1. Next, same question, the value of p is given 1. What is 1 plus 3?
4.
4, which is not again 1. So therefore p is equals to 1 is also not a solution for this equation, because if we substitute p is equals to 1, we are not getting 1, we are getting 4. Next, the value of p is given 0. What is 0 plus 3? 3. Again we are not getting 1. So therefore p is equals to 0 is also not solution for this equation, because if we substitute p is equals to 0, we are getting 3, not 1. और 2 बिट बचा हुआ है, p plus 3 is equals to 1 के लिए अभी दिया हुआ है minus 1. If we substitute minus 1, we are getting 2. ठीक है, we are getting 2, not 1. So therefore p is equals to minus 1 is also not a solution for this equation, because if we substitute p is equals to minus 1, we are getting 2, which is not 1, which is not equals to 1. Now the last bit, the value of p is given minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3 कितना होगा? 1, which is equals to RHS. So therefore p is equals to minus 2 is a solution for this equation, because if we substitute p is equals to minus 2, we are getting 1, which is equals to RHS. So therefore equation satisfied, right? So now this is the last question for this today's session. Now we are moving toward assignments. This is not related with your equation, but a very good collection of questions. So this also I will share with through Google Classroom. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.